Alright guys, hi, this is Patti Sanders again with Earthworks here out at the Mastari residence, just chilling out here in the backyard. Just had a new water feature installed by our guys. They did a fantastic job. Nick and Tim ran this crew and they did a really awesome job. We got a nice backdrop here down at Beacon Lake with the water feature behind. We got the existing water feature and then the one we created right here in this little backyard. Let me walk you through the project. So they had an existing paver area that they wanted to work around, so we created this nice little mountain falls with a stream water feature kind of coming down through here. Guys, we just heard a fire truck go by. There's a lot of traffic on this road. It's 210, so another reason that we wanted this water feature is kind of drown out some of that noise. But anyway, I was talking about how we kind of redesigned the water feature. The biofalls was kind of shifted back. He brought it a little bit closer to this area where the pergola is and a little bit more intimate. And he also added a nice feature of these big boulders right here, which is really cool because you can actually sit here while other people are out here sitting in the pergola area. So it's kind of like a fun little area too for the kids, but a really good detail that I didn't even pick up on that Tim created that really turned out wonderfully. Another detail that Tim added to this feature that you can't typically just, design on the CAD drawing itself are the details like right where at the top of the waterfall where that stump is. He's kind of built it in so it looks like it's been there all over time. It's a real natural feature for where the waterfall comes down. Just these little details. And he also picked this rock here. It kind of comes out so the water's kind of going underneath it. And he really liked this water, this little scoop out of this rock. So again, they bring out all these boulders and pick and choose which ones will really fit the area nicely. Those are the kind of details. They're artists that create the work. So we start with an actual two-dimensional design and let those guys create this magical, wonderful water feature. A couple other features. We've got some really pretty Japanese maples. We originally started with some Robolini palms, but the clients really wanted to incorporate some Japanese maples in their design. So we just swapped them out and they turned out really good. Once these flush out, they'll look really nice in the spring. We're almost there, starting beginning of March. So we should start seeing some leaves coming out in the next couple weeks. But it turned out really good. They kind of wanted to create this area here and then a little grassy area of zoysia for the two girls. We still stay with the St. Augustine out on the outside, but that zoysia grass, once it starts growing in, it's going to look really nice. And again, I think it turned out really well. Our guys did an awesome job creating this natural water feature. And again, we are currently the only aquascape certified contractors in the area. So if you guys are interested in doing a water feature, whether it be something like this stream or a koi pond or even just some individual fountains, come check us out at Earthworks online and over at the Garden Center.